Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sajjad. The golden fish. Malhar was a fisherman. He lived with his wife in a little hut near the sea. He went down to the sea every day to catch fish. One day, a strong thing happened. He catch a big golden fish in his net. When Malhar took the fish out of water, the fish began to escape. "Oh, fisherman, please let me go." Malhar was very surprised. He was a kind man. He let the fish go. Thank you.
मेरा नाम अलीशा भाटी है। मेरा रोल नंबर 42 है। मैं 4th B की क्लास में पढ़ती हूँ। आज हम पढ़ेंगे द गोल्डन फिश की रीडिंग। मल्हार was a fisherman. He lived with his wife in a little hut near the sea. He went down to the sea every day to catch a fish. जज़ाकल्लाह।
Malhar was a fishman. He lived with his wife in a little hut near the sea. He went down to the sea every day to catch fish. One day, strange things happened. He caught a big golden fish in this net. When Malhar took the fish out of water, the fish began to escape. Oh, fisherman, please let me go." Malhar was very
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम ज़ैनब महमूद है। मैं 4th B क्लास की हूँ। मेरा रोल नंबर 10 है। द गोल्डन फिश। Malhar was a fisherman. He lived with his wife in a little hut near the sea. He went down to the sea every day to catch fish. One day, a strange thing happened. He caught a big golden fish in his net. When Malhar took the fish out of water, the fish began to speak.
Assalamualaikum. मेरा नाम सुनैसा आसिफ मोहम्मद अली है। Malhar was a fisherman. He lived with his wife in a little hut near the sea. He went down to the sea every day to catch fish. One day, a strange thing happened. He catch a big golden fish in his net. When Malhar took the fish out of water, the fish began to speak. "Oh, fisherman, please let me go." Malhar was very surprised. He was a keen man. He let the fish go. Malhar went home empty handed. He told his wife about the fish. His wife was not very keen.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मैं मदनी प्राइमरी स्कूल से बोल रहा हूँ। मेरा नाम है फतेह मोहम्मद महमूद। द गोल्डन फिश। Malhar was a fisherman. He lived with his wife in a little hut near the sea. He went down to the sea every day to catch fish. Thank you.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम। मेरा नाम दुक्का फैसल मूसा है। मेरा रोल नंबर 28 है। द गोल्डन फिश। Malhar was fisherman. He lived with his wife in a little hut near the sea. He went down to the sea every day to catch fish. One day a strange thing happened and he catch a big golden fish in his net. When Malhar took the fish out of water, the fish began to speak. Oh, fisherman, please let me go. Mahar was very peaceful. He was a king man. He let the fish go. Mahlar went home empty-handed. He told his wife about the fish. His wife was not very kind. Foolish man, why did you let the fish go? Go back to the sea and call the fish. It must be a magic fish. Ask the fish to get you a wish. So Mahlar went back to the